In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make grid curve room partition. First of all, we have to make this existing wall and floor, but in this video I've already prepared it. And first step for making it with rotated rectangle to make room partition, basic room partition. Anyway, we can just set the thickness around 160 millimeter, right? And then we can just set the any size, maybe around 2500 millimeter for the length. Okay, and then we have to push it up. We have to push it up until the 3000 millimeter. And we can just set the curve right here. We can set the curve with the making tape measure tool for the first. We can just make a guiding line for the first with any size as you want. It's just for example, and then we can just select the 2-point arc over there. Then we can just place on it on this space anyway. Okay, we can set the 100s to make it smoother than before. Okay, we can just this arc, and then we can just make a line, then position on the down and position on place on it. Okay, and after that we have to push it back anyway, and then so we have made the basic opening of the grid curve room partition. Okay, and then we can just delete some unnecessary guiding line over there. And after that we have to make it group for the first, and then we can just make this curve line and just this line and this line. Okay, and then select copy, and then we can just paste in place so it will be appear in the same place as before. And then we can just set the place as we want to make this grid curve room partition. Okay, and then we can just delete unnecessary line over there, just erase it, and then we can make a frame for the first, and you have to offset it around maybe 60 millimeter. Then we can just erase it, and then we have to push it to the back. We have to push it back around 120 millimeter, and then just make it group anyway. And after that we can just make a rectangle in this space. We can set the thickness around 38 millimeter, and then we can just push it up until right here, and then we can make a group and make a component, just create it. And after that we have to rotate it with this edge. We can rotate and then select control, position it, and then we can just make it unique for the first, and then we can move by selecting this object and select move and press control and position on it and type maybe around 8/ maybe, so it will be automatically create space arrangement anyway. Then maybe we can just delete some unnecessary object over there. Then we can just move it for a little bit. Okay, and then we can just rescale. We have to rescale this in this position. Then we can just make arrangement again, and by selecting this object and select move and select control. Then we have to position it, and we can type maybe around 12/ and just press enter anyway. So it will be automatically arrangement of this grid curve room partition. And then we have to make it more perfect connection between the frame and this grid object by selecting this one by one and right click and make unique, and this is right click and make unique also. And after that we have to select it and select the line, and we have to slice the extent of the object anyway. Then we have to push it back until it's clear, and we can do the same method with the with this line anyway. So we have to push it to the back until clear anyway. Then we can make it unique and just make a line, and then we have to push it to the back anyway, and then make it unique, and then just we have to push it to the back. Okay, we can make it unique, and then we can just adjust it again manually, or maybe we can use this line, we can use this curve line by select this object, and then we can select this curve, and then we can select edit, copy, and then we can select this object and edit, paste in place, so it will be automatically placed on the same place as we want, so it will be a nice connection for the frame and the object. Okay. And we can just do the same thing with this by make unique first, and then we can edit and paste in place again, so it would be a more perfect connection. Okay, and then we can just erase it for unnecessary object. Okay, and then we can make another material by selecting this wood veneer and select this all and just sign material. Okay, I think it's enough. It's about grid curve from partition anyway, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit, and that's all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.